stretch, 2, stretch, आराम से करो सब लोग, 3, stretch, 4, stretch, 5, and hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. पैर के बीच में comfortable distance and only bring it till here. बस यहीं तक. 1. Those in the ninth month will increase the gap between their leg and bring it down. I repeat, those in the ninth month will increase the gap between their leg and bring it down. 5. बाकी सब ऐसे ही करना है. 6. Good. 7. Continue. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. And 15. Relax, all of you. Jyoti, you will not do this now. अब मैं जो करवा रही हूँ तुम मत करना, okay? Everybody else lift one leg up and press this knee out slightly. जब आप लोग ये पैर प्रेस करोगे, you will get a stretch behind this thigh. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Change opposite leg and press it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. This is for the sciatica nerve. A pain sometimes might radiate from your hip or your butt and travel down to your leg. Okay? Chalo, relax and slowly come on your knee into cat and cow. आराम से आओ cat and cow में. Keeping your palms in line with your shoulder, your knees in line with your hip. There should be a comfortable gap between both your legs. Inhale, look forward, taking your back slightly in and your hip out. Exhale, round your back and look between your hands. Okay? Come on, continue. Inhale, exhale, 2, exhale, 3. Come on, continue. Exhale, 4. Exhale. Now, all those who know how to do Kegel will do Kegel with exhalation. Jyoti, आपको अभी जरूरत नहीं है. You will not do Kegel now. अभी मैं सिखाऊंगी नहीं Kegel, okay? 5, 6, 7. Good. 8, 9, and 10. आगे देखो, posture hold, breathing normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look down, hold the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Elbow on the mat, head down into puppy pose, all of you. Puppy pose is a posture in which your baby will be in the correct position. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, बाकी सब आराम से खड़े हो जाओ, and those who are comfortable and all those who are on the ninth month will stand up on the mat as I am going to. Come on your toes, lift your body up into Parvat, keeping your knees slightly bent and hold Parvatasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Roll into a forward bend position, keeping your knees bent. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come up and relax. चलो ज्योति आ जाओ ऊपर. Come up, all of you, for hand rotations. दोनों हाथों की मुट्ठी बनाएंगे. Simple rotation of the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. चलो continue. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 9, and 10. Reverse rotation. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Single hand up and down. 1. Open your fingers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10. Relax. Stretch your elbow, keeping one palm on your back. 1. Stretch this elbow with the opposite hand. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change opposite hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax and come to hip circles. Those in the ninth month will take your hip back. Rest everybody, simple rotation of the hip. Ninth month वालों को already पता है. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse rotation. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. पैर के बीच में distance. Support your belly with one hand or keep your hand on your waist for side stretches. 1. Look up. Change. 2. Pull your hand up so that you get a stretch here. You get a stretch on the side oblique. Back. 3. Back. 4. Back. 5. Back. 6. Back. 7. Back. 8 and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Change and hold. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. आराम से center में. दोनों हाथ कमर पे, pressing your lower back with your thumb and all the other four fingers facing to the front, coming into a 10-degree back bend. We will take only a 10-degree back bend because back bends are restricted in pregnancy. चलो. 1, इतना ही बस. Center. 2, center. 3, press your lower back with your thumb. 4, chalo, come on. 5, 6, 7, Jyoti, पीछे जाओ, 10 degree. 8, show me your side posture. 9, 10, and hold the back bend, all of you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. आराम से center में. Good. ज्योति, you will not do the forward bend. बाकी सब करेंगे. ज्योति will not do the forward bend. पैर के बीच में distance. You can walk around, ज्योति, 10 rounds of your mat. हाथों को लॉक करो, elbow को लॉक करो, and bending your knees, we will come down. चलो. 1, up, 2, up. Continue. 3, you will avoid forward bends, you will avoid exertion, you will avoid squats. Okay, Jyoti, you will not do all those. 4, good. 5, 6, 7, 8, last 2, 9, last one, and hold the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. आराम से ऊपर and relax. Relax. ताड़ासन के लिए आ जाओ. कम जो पैर के बीच में comfortable सा distance. With inhalation, take your body up on your toes. Exhale, down, flat foot, hands back on your belly. Okay? Chalo. One. This is to strengthen your stretch your calf muscle, improve the toning of your calf muscle, help you give relief from varicose veins and from calf muscle cramping. You should all feel a stretch on your calf as you're going up into Tadasana on your toes. Three, chalo, continue. Four, good. Five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, and hold the posture. Hold Tadasana, all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. आराम से नीचे. दोनों पैर के बीच में डिस्टेंस. ज्योति तुम कम डिस्टेंस लोगे, ज्यादा नहीं लेना. दोनों हाथों को स्ट्रेच. अपने राइट पैर को बाहर. अब जो कंफर्टेबल है वो पूरा नीचे तक आएगा, जैसे मैं आ रही हूँ. लेकिन ज्योति आप यहाँ से नीचे नहीं आओगे. ओके, कम ऑन, कम डाउन ऑल ऑफ यू. और मिड वे एंड ट्राई टू लुक अप. ऊपर वाले हाथ की तरफ देखो. इनटू त्रिकोणासन. होल्ड द पोस्चर. इफ यू फील डिजी लुकिंग अप, लुक स्ट्रेट एट मी. 1, चक्कर जैसा लगता है तो आगे देखो. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. आराम से ऊपर. Slowly come up. Roll your shoulders back. Turn your right foot to the front, left foot out, and come down in a left lateral bend and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up. आराम से ऊपर. Rolling your shoulders back, turn both your foot to the front, right hand down and left hand up. Alternate side up and down. Okay? 1. आगे देखो. ज्योति इतना नीचे नहीं आना, थोड़ा सा ही आना. 2. बाकी सब भी जो कंफर्टेबल नहीं है नीचे आने में नहीं आएंगे. 3, 4, continue. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Change and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Up. Slowly come up. दोनों हाथों को शोल्डर की सीट में. Turning your right foot out. Bend your right knee and turn your neck to the right in Warrior 2. Veerbhadrasana 2. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. इस घुटने को सीधा किया, इस पैर को आगे. Change the side into Warrior 2 on your left. आपको सिर्फ गर्दन को टर्न करना है और लेफ्ट नी को बेंड करना है. ओके? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Straighten. Turn this foot to the front. Again, turn your right foot out. Bending your right knee, turn towards the right, taking both your hands up into Warrior 1. Join your hands together, keeping your spine straight. Spine में arch मत लाना. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stretch, turn, and slowly straighten in this knee. Change your side into warrior 2 on your left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stretch, turn. Jyoti, relax. Please sit down. ज्योति तुम बैठ जाओ, बाकी सब मेरे साथ स्क्वाट करेंगे. चलो. 1, पैर के बीच में इतना गैप रहने दो सब लोग. 2, let your knees go out. Come in the center instead of coming forward. 3, आगे मत जाना स्क्वाट में. Don't do this. Do this. 5, come on, continue all of you. 6, when you exhale, you will come down, and with inhalation, come up. 7, good. 8, Jyoti, आराम से बैठो. Deep inhalation और exhalation शुरू करो. Kirti, how are you? All well? 9,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, good.
I
30th
get
week.
tired very easily. So
अभी होगा. It is twins, Kirti. अब होगा. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. You will relax whenever you get tired. No exertion, please. ठीक है, आराम से बैठ. चलो. Hold the squat, all of you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax all of you. पैर को relax करेंगे. Hold the ball. पीछे stretch. आपका घुटना जमीन को फेस करना चाहिए. Knee should point the floor. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Change opposite leg. 5, 4, 3, 2 and relax. Everybody please sit down. Stretch your legs except those who are in the 9th month. 9th month wale khade rahenge and start with deep squats. Come on, Anjali. Ram, sit down. Anisha.
मैम 9th मंथ
Vedika.
36 वीक से शुरू होता है.
Yes, 36 से. कौन पूछ रहा है? नाम बताना पड़ेगा आप लोग को.
विभा.
विभा.
विभा. हाँ जी.
36 वीक से स्टार्ट होता है 9th मंथ.
ओके.
ओके, तो जो भी 36 वीक प्लस है और जिसको डॉक्टर ने बोल चुका है कि डीप स्क्वाट शुरू कर सकते हैं, प्लीज स्टार्ट. एंड जो भी अभी 32nd 33rd वीक में है, प्लीज आस्क योर डॉक्टर एंड लेट मी नो. विभा, यू आर इन द यूएस ना?
हाँ जी.
पूछ के बताना पड़ेगा मुझे.
मेरी
डॉक्टर
मंडे को है, मतलब ट्यूसडे को है. अभी आज संडे है यहाँ पे, तो ट्यूसडे को आई विल आस्क.
तो यू लास्ट. अभी तो टाइम है. इट इज ओनली 32nd वीक.
हाँ
बट यू
जी.
आस्क ऑन ट्यूसडे. इफ शी टेल्स मी
Ma'am,
स्टार्ट विद अ लो नंबर.
ठीक है.
ma'am, my doctor said start from 9th month. Right now 33 weeks.
We'll wait. No problem, Prajakta. We'll wait. देखो, इसीलिए ना, every doctor's opinion can be different. Some doctors, they are doing your physical examination, so they know how your body is, and they might feel that if we do squats or something, the cervix might open or the baby might come down, which we don't want in the 8th month. We want it to happen only once you enter the 36th week or the 9th month. So we will wait for the doctor's instruction. But बाकी के लोग जरूर पूछेंगे and let me know. Okay? चल.
Ma'am, Vimla here.
Yeah.
Ma'am, last week I started deep squats and duck walk.
2020.
15 I started with.
15 you
Now
started. Now we'll increase it to 20.
Okay.
20 deep squats, 20 holding of deep squats, 20 count, and 20 steps of duck walk. This is the maximum I'm giving you. In case you're not able to do 20, you can do 10, 15, and again give a repetition of 10 in the evening.
Okay.
But not
Okay.
beyond that. Don't go beyond that now.
Okay.
आराम से बैठ जाओ. बाकी के लोग जो नीचे बैठे हैं, sit comfortably, fold your legs for butterfly and keep your legs away from your pelvic. Pelvic से दूर रखो. ज्योति, बाकी सब 40 बटरफ्लाई करेंगे, लेकिन आप 15 बटरफ्लाई में स्टॉप हो जाओगे. चलो 1 2 IVF में वी आर वेरी केयरफुल ओके तो अभी 1 मंथ मैं बहुत ही केयरफुली आपसे करवाऊंगी घर पे भी प्लीज नो एक्सर्शन ज्योति आराम आराम से रेस्ट करते हुए डॉक्टर से एक बार फिर भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस आप पूछो दे डोंट टेल आई नो इन यूरोप दे विल नॉट टेल यू दे विल टेल डू एवरीथिंग बट
या
स्टिल आस्क फॉर
मैंने
पर्सनल बेसिस
पूछा था तो मैं आपको मतलब फिर से पूछ के मैं बताऊंगी।
ओके
ओके
10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1 Jyoti you will relax come into Sukhasan baki sab continue 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 and 30 relax hold your ankle and come to a forward bend all of you बस इतना ही इससे ज्यादा नहीं आएगा कोई भी 1 2 3 4 and 5 relax और आराम से बैठ जाओ sit comfortably in सुखासन which is a normal folded leg posture पालथी मार के जो हम बैठते हैं उसको सुखासन बोलते हैं keep your legs away from your pelvis hands in either Gyan Mudra touch the tip of your index to the tip of your thumb or Pran Mudra touching the tip of your ring and little finger to the tip of your thumb this will improve the immunity and this will improve your concentration. You can take any one mudra of these two, palm facing up, elbows bent, and start with deep inhalation and deep exhalation. Jyoti, मैं आपको सिखा देती हूँ. I hope you are comfortable in both Hindi and English, Jyoti.
यस दोनों में।
Okay. तो deep inhalation, exhalation, simple breathing है, जिसमें आप deeply inhale करेंगे नाक से और डीपली एक्सेल करेंगे लेकिन आपकी जो इनहेलेशन एक्सेलेशन रहेगी वो रिलैक्स रहेगी इतना डीप नहीं होना चाहिए कि यू आर फीलिंग अनकंफर्टेबल
ओके
ओके स्टार्ट गुड नाउ दोस हु आर डूइंग डीप स्क्वाट्स फिनिश योर डीप स्क्वाट्स एंड देन कम डाउन टू लीव एल्बो बेंड करो हो गया आपका डीप स्क्वाट खत्म हो गया कर लिया आपने
मैम पता नहीं 36 वीक के बाद मेरा ना कमर इतना क्या बोलूं दर्द हो रहा है कुछ भी नहीं हो पा रहा है और मेरा ये पोर्शन बहुत हेवी लग रहा है ये पोर्शन
हाँ क्योंकि तुम डीप स्क्वाट वगैरह कर रहे हो ना इससे दुखेगा कि नहीं इससे
मैं
दुखेगा
उतना ज्यादा नहीं कर पा रही हूँ कुछ भी मतलब कुछ भी करने से मैं थोड़ा पार्ट टाइम जॉब भी करती हूँ तो वहां जाके आने के बाद मुझसे कुछ भी नहीं होता मैं भी
ठीक है
कैलिफोर्निया से हूँ
कोई बात
और
नहीं
घर
जितना
में
होता उतना करो एंड
हाँ
वॉकिंग जरूर करो तो जो वो
अभी तो बाहर बहुत ठंडा है तो वॉकिंग भी थोड़ा बंद हो गया है पता नहीं ये पोर्शन मेरा हेवी हो
इट
गया है
डिपेंड्स तुक्का अभी 9 मंथ
बहुत
में रहेगा
हाँ
आराम
देखते हैं
आराम से
क्या
करो थोड़ा रिलैक्स करो ठीक है
ठीक है
और
मैं
ये
मैम
सब
आप और वो जो एक योगा क्लास आप ली थी इसके बीच में वो और एक बार करेंगे क्या
क्या चीज
वो सुदर्शन मुझे ना पता नहीं 2-3 दिन
मेडिटेशन, चक्र मेडिटेशन।
चक्र मेडिटेशन या
हाँ, ठीक है, करवा देंगे।
हाँ,
ठीक है,
ठीक
चलो
थैंक यू मैम
आराम से बैठो। See, I want to tell, in fact, everybody, especially those who are in the ninth month, your body will get tired now. Once you come into the eighth month, ninth month, the tiredness level will increase because the body weight increases. The belly might slightly come down, putting a pressure on your pelvic, putting a pressure on your thighs. जिसकी वजह से जो एक्टिविटी आप सेवेंथ मंथ तक कर पा रहे होंगे, you might not be able to do the same level of activity. I'm not telling कि एक्टिविटी नहीं होगा, एक्टिविटी होगा, but you might get tired, you might feel sleepy. So please give your body a proper relaxation. रात को please don't be on your devices. Go to bed on time. Get a 7 to 8 hours of sleep, all of you. ठीक है? चलो, relax. And we will start with अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम. सब लोग शुरू कर दो. ज्योति, have a look. एक हाथ से कोई भी एक मुद्रा जो मैंने बताई थी और दूसरे हाथ से प्राणायाम मुद्रा, bending your index and your middle finger. Correct. Now close your right nostril. Inhale from the left. Close your left and exhale from the right. Inhale from the right and closing the right, exhale from the left. Alternative nostril breathing. Samajh aaya? Did you understand, Jyoti? Just give me a thumbs up. Okay, start. Anulom Vilom Pranayam is a wonderful pranayam for internal healing of the body. It cleanses your nasal passages and all the nadis and brings a balance in the left and the right side of our body. Chalo, continue. And everybody can do it. इनफैक्ट आप लोग घर पे भी अनुलोम विलोम कीजिए. कंटिन्यू. Exhale from your left nostril, all of you, and slowly end the pranayam. प्राणायाम को समाप्त करेंगे. Come to normal breathing. We will do ujjayi. This is a modified version of the actual ujjayi, specially done in prenatal for the thyroid gland. Okay? एक बार देख लो सब लोग. Please have a look. You will inhale from your nose, squeezing or constricting this part of your throat where we have the thyroid gland. Okay? Once your inhalation is complete, you will exhale normally without any constriction. ठीक है? चलो शुरू करते हैं. Inhale. बस आवाज आनी चाहिए यहाँ से. ठीक है? Now normal exhalation from your left nostril. Close your right nostril and exhale normally from the left. एक और round. Inhale, constricting this part of your throat and making a sound from here. Once your inhalation is done, you will close your right nostril and exhale from the left. Third and last round. Inhale. Close your right nostril and exhale from the left. Relax, rub both your palms and keep your warm palms on your throat and come to Bhramri. Bhramar karenge 5 बार. Keep your fingers over your face in such a way that your index finger is on the eyelid, your middle finger near your nostril, your ring on the upper lip, and the little on the lower lip. And close this flap of your ear lightly with your thumb. Make a humming sound from the pit of your throat, connecting it to your breath. That means with every inhalation and exhalation, you are supposed to make a humming sound. Inhalation ke saath it is difficult. With exhalation, you will be able to make it. Chalo. Don't stretch it. दोनों हथेलियों को रब करो. Rub both your palms and keep your warm palms on your face, on your upper body, especially on your belly, giving energy to your baby. And look at your palms and open your eyes. Gently relax. Everybody, please come on your side for relaxation. अपने करवट आ जाओ. Take a pillow, keep it between your knee. Lie down, all of you. ज्योति लेट जाओ. प्रेगनेंसी में करवट लेटना होता है, not on the back. Okay? The main reason for not lying down on the back is the baby's weight pushes your inferior vena cava, which supplies blood to the upper part of the body. तो जब आप लोग पीठ के बल ऐसे सीधा लेटते हो तो बेचैनी होती है, रेस्टलेसनेस होती है. So you will avoid lying on the back. You can lie on any one side, preferably on the left, keeping a pillow here between your knee, or you can keep this pillow here and take the upper leg over it. ये दोनों ही posture comfortable है. Now, in case sleeping for long hours on your sides gives you discomfort on the side and you want to sleep on your back, you can for only about 10 to 15 minutes, not more than that. तो आप लोग upper body को elevate करोगे with pillows. You will come on your side and then slowly turn onto your back. Either keeping your legs straight or your knees bent. Okay? Anything would do. Now, those with a low lying placenta, daily keep your legs up in a 60-degree angle for 10 minutes and sleep this way. Those with pain in the leg, तुली ऐसे लेटो थोड़ी देर के लिए रोज. इतने हाइट पे ही रहेगा पैर, इससे ऊपर नहीं जाएगा. प्लीज डोंट लिफ्ट योर लेग्स हायर देन दिस. ओके? लेग पेन के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, वेरिकोस वेन्स के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, लेग स्वेलिंग के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. ओके? बट डोंट लाई मोर देन 10 मिनट्स एंड नॉट आफ्टर योर मील प्लीज. खाना खाने के तुरंत बाद नहीं लेटोगे ऐसे. खाना खाने के बाद कम से कम 1.5 घंटे तक नहीं. चलो, close your eyes, all of you. Keeping your hands on your belly, relax your body completely. अपने पूरे शरीर को एकदम ढीला छोड़ दीजिए. Your toes, your heels, your ankles, your calf, your knees, your thighs, your pelvic, your lower, middle, upper abdomen, आपका spine, shoulders, both your hands, elbows, forearms, wrist, your palms, and all the fingers on your hands. Relax them completely. After relaxing your physical body, move to your neck and start relaxing your neck muscles, your facial muscles, your nose, chin, lips, teeth, tongue, eyes, eyebrows, ears, the area near your ears, your head, and your hair. After relaxing your entire body, slowly move to your breath and start relaxing your inhalation and your exhalation. अपने ब्रीदिंग को रिलैक्स करने के बाद अपने मन को शांत करो and without thinking about anything, keeping your palms on your belly, only concentrate on your baby and your breath and go into a complete body breath, mind relaxation. Relax, relax, and relax. Try to feel each and every movement of your baby. And if you're in your early trimester, your baby is not moving, just feel its presence inside you and talk to your baby. Tell your baby how much you love it. Tell your baby it is absolutely safe inside you. And tell your baby that you are with it always. Relax, relax, and relax. I'm going to be silent for 2 minutes, after which I'll bring you out of this relaxation. और अब धीरे धीरे अपने हाथों की और अपने पैरों की उंगलियों को हिलाओ. Move your toes and your fingers. Move your neck and rubbing both your palms together. Place your palms on your upper body, your belly, giving energy to your baby. And thanking God for this moment in your life. Slowly open your eyes, looking at your palms. आराम से बैठ जाओ सब लोग. Come to a sitting position, all of you. Take your time. I hope all are comfortable. If anybody is having any discomfort, anything that you wish to ask me or discuss with me, feel free, unmute yourself and let me know.
Thank you, ma'am. Good day. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Jyoti.
दीपक